Students of 8A, in this period of algebra, exercise 3C is continue, and today we shall learn lattice multiplication method. The question number 9. The question is, find the square of the following numbers using lattice multiplication method. So first of all, see the number, that is 63. We are asked to find out the square of 63 using lattice multiplication method. Very unique pattern to find the square of the given number. First of all, you count the number of digits. These are 2. We make the column of, we make the chart of 2 columns and 2 rows. 1, 2 and this 1, 2 and this is 1, 2. Why these 2? Because the number of digits are 2. In 63, 6 and 3. These are 2 digits. So at the top, I write 6, 3. Beside this, I write 6, 3. Now prepare the diagonals in this way. And one more diagonal, and here also one more diagonal. So we prepared the diagonals of all the squares and we produced it out of this chart. Now you multiply this 6 and this 6. 6 6 is 36. So 3 you write up and 6 you write down. Again you multiply this 6 and this 3. 6 3 is 18. 1 up, 8 down. Now you multiply this 6 and this 3. You are getting 18. 1 up, 8 down. And again you multiply this 3 and this 3. You are getting 9. At this place you are getting 9, but you have 2 places to write. So at the first place you write 0 and at in the second place you write 9. When you get the multiplication of only one digit, then in above box you write 0, in lower box you write that multiplication. Here I got 3 3s are 9, so I wrote 0 here and 9 here. Now see this method. This 9 you carry here, 9. This is one digit, you circle it. Add this 3 digit, those lies between these two, those lie between these two lines. 8 plus 0 plus 8. We are getting 16. 8 plus 0 plus 8, we are getting 16. Plus, here you always write this digit in 2 digits. This number you write in always 2 digits, and this 0 you carry here at this place and write here 0. Add it. What are you getting? You are getting 16. Now in this 2 digit you circle the unit place and tens place you carry here and write 1. Now you add this 3. 1 plus 6 plus 1 equal to 8. In between you give the sign of plus. Add it and write here how much? 9. But I say you write in 2 digits. 0, 9. And unit place should be circled. This 0 should be transferred here. 0. And now here is alone. This 3 is alone. Write here 3 plus 0 equal to 3. This is alone, so you circle this. So I repeat this process. There are 2 digits, so I made 2 rows and 2 columns. Above I wrote 63 and beside this I wrote 63. Then first of all, I multiplied 6 and 6, 36. 3 I wrote here, 6 I wrote down. Then I multiplied 3 and 6, 18. 1 I wrote up, 8 I wrote down. Then I multiplied this 3 and this 6. 3 6 is 18. 1 I wrote up, 8 came down. Then again I multiplied 3 3 is 9. There is only one digit, so we have to write this in 2 digit. 0 9. 0 will come in the above box and 9 will come in lower box. Now these diagonals are prepared. In this diagonal, what is 9? Write 9 in 2 digits. 0 9. This 0 will be carried here. Now you add these numbers in this, between these two diagonals. 8 plus 0 plus 8, we are getting 16. So before 0 you give, this 0 is coming from here, before 0 you give the symbol of plus and write this addition 16. 16 plus 0, how much we are getting? 16. Unit digit you circle there. I circled this 6, that is at the unit place, and 1 I transferred here. Okay, that is the tens place. Now I added these numbers, those lie between these two lines. 1 plus 6 plus 1 equal to 8, and 1 is transferred from here, so these two will be added. 8 plus 1 equal to, we are getting 9, but I suggest you write in 2 digits. 0 9. Circle the unit place and transfer 0 here. Now this is alone, so I brought it here. 3 plus 0 equal to 3. Now how many are circled numbers? You write those in this way. 63 into 63. Why? Because we are asked to find out the square, so we multiply this twice. 63 into 63 equal to, write all these circled numbers. 3 9 6 and 9. If you want to verify, then come through simple process of multiplication. 63 into 63, 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 6 is 36, and 1 37. Add it. 9 16 9 3. We are getting 3969. Here is also 3969. This is called the lattice multiplication method to find out the square of the given number. Now Roman number 2. The number is 138. There are 3 digits, 138. So for that I made 3 columns and 3 rows. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Here I wrote 138, here also I wrote 138. Now we multiplied it. 1 1 ja 1, we write 2 digits, in upper box 0, in lower box 1. 1 3 ja 3, here 0 but here 3. 1 8 ja 8, here 0, here 8. Now 3 1 ja 3, these two. 3 1 ja 3, in upper box 0, lower box 3. 3 3 ja 9, upper box 0, lower box 9. 3 8 ja 24, in upper box 2, lower box 4. Now this 8 is left. 8 1 ja 8, in upper box 0, lower box 8. 8 3 ja 24, in upper box 2, in lower box 4. 8 8 ja 64, in upper box 6 and lower box 4. Now this 4 is carried here. This is alone. This is at a unit place, so I circled here. Now we added these 3 numbers. 4 plus 6 plus 4 equal to 14. Circle this unit place and 1 will be transferred here. Now add it. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. 21 plus 8, 29. Add 29 to 1 and we are getting 30 equal to 30. Circle this unit digit and 3 will be transferred here. Right here 3. Before this you give the symbol of plus. Now add the numbers, those lie between these two lines. 0 plus 3 plus 0 plus 3 plus 0 equal to 6. Here you write 6. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Circle it because it lies at unit place. Nothing is left at tens place, so we will not transfer anything here. Now you add the numbers, those lie between these two lines. 0 plus 1 plus 0 equal to 1. You circle it because this is the unit digit, and here 0, nothing will be transferred because nothing is there at tens place. So this 0 will be followed from here. Now we write 138 equal to all the circled numbers 19044. By simple method we see the multiplication to verify our answer. 138 into 138, 8 8 is 64, 6, 8 3 is 24 and 6, 30, 3, 8 1 is 8 and 3, 11, 3 8 is 24, 2 3 3 is 9 and 2, 11, 1, 3 1 is 3 and 1, 4, 1 8 is 8, 1 3 is 3, 1 1 is 1, 4, 4, 10, 4 3 7 1 8 1 9 and 1, 19044, 19044. This is the lattice method of lattice multiplication method to get the square of the given number. 5, the number is 799. We make the columns and rows for this number. There are 3 digits, so there will be 3 rows and 3 columns. 1, 2 and 3. Similarly here also 1, 2 and 3. Now write the numbers. Number 799 and here also 799. Make the diagonals. Here also, in these boxes and in the last box. Now multiply. 7 7 is 49, 4 9. 7 9 is 63, 6 3. 7 9 is 63, 6 3. 9 7 is 63, 6 3. 9 9 is 81, 8 1. 9 9 is 81, 8 1. 9 7 is 63, 6 3. 9 9 is 81, 8 1. 9 9 is 81. Where was 9 9 is 81, 8 1. So this one is alone. Carry here and circle it. There is no tens digit, so nothing will be transferred here. Add this. This became 10. Circle unit digit and 1 you transfer here. Write 1 and before that you give the symbol of plus. What will you add? This is 3, 8, 11. 1, 12, 8, 20 plus 3, 23. 23 plus 1 equal to 24. Circle this 4. Transfer to here. Now add this. Before this you give the symbol of addition. 6 3 9, 9 8 17, 3 20, 6 26. 26 plus 2 equal to 28. Circle this. Transfer to here. Okay. Now add this. 6 9 15, 15 plus 6 21. 21 plus 2 equal to 23. Circle this unit place. Transfer this tens digit here. Now write 2. Before that give the symbol of plus. What will come here? 4. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. This is alone. You circle it. So we can write 799 into 799 equal to 6 3 8 4 0 1. Now for verification we multiply 799 twice. 799 into 799, what are we getting? Let us see. 9 9 is 81, 8 9 9 is 81 and 8 89. 8 9 7 is 63, 63 and 8 71. 9 9 is 81, 8 9 9 is 81 and 8 89. 8 9 7 is 63 and 8 71. 7 9 is 63, 6 7 9 is 63 and 6 69. 6 7 7 is 49 and 6 49 and 6 equal to 55. 1 10 1 1 2 2 9 11 11 3 14 1 1 7 8 8 1 9 9 18 1 1 7 8 5 13 1 5 6. 638401, 638401. So our this lattice multiplication method to get the square of 799 is correct.